Here we have dubbed Boyz Soft Pig, an all-purpose cleaner designed to deliver professional results on a variety of surfaces. We spray Soft Pig directly onto the brush and then onto the leather seat we're about to clean. To demonstrate its power, we've placed a blue line dividing the surface into two sections. On one side only, we scrub using a thick detailing brush. The product penetrates deep into the surface, lifting dirt and impurities with ease. Next, with a microfiber towel, we wipe away the residue, removing the blue line to reveal the contrast. The seat is completely clean, restored, and protected. That's the power of dubbed Boyz Soft Pig, your ultimate all-purpose solution.